Create personalized learning paths with Levelup. Are you looking to deliver effective corporate training experiences? Levelup, the world's simplest corporate LMS, allows you to create personalized learning paths which offers just that. With personalized learning paths, trainee employees can focus on the skills and courses most relevant to their job roles and career roles. Levelup helps you to curate personalized learning paths for them, combining multimedia courses, resources, flashcards, and other interactive content. Assessments within Levelup can be customized based on the skill level and learning preferences of the trainees. With Levelup, you can empower your employees to learn at their own pace. Our cloud-based LMS and learner app ensures that they can complete their training anytime, anywhere. To keep your learners motivated, you can gamify personalized learning paths on Levelup. Include elements like badges, leaderboards, and customized certificates with just a few clicks. Personalized learning paths are not only great for learners, but also useful for trainers. Levelup helps you to customize reports which helps you track the progress of individuals on their learning paths. With personalized learning, you can boost engagement and improve performance. It makes your employees feel valued, allowing you to retain talent in the long term. Make your corporate training smarter, more efficient, and perfectly aligned with your company's goals. Level up your corporate training experience and empower them to succeed.